It's the first way. By the way, my car's name is Ronald. So doing all that. Hello.
Open up my mind, spoken word. Yes, the truth is you, I know it's her. And she's the only one. Yeah, so I know it's her. Ooh, that's how it's supposed to be. Living life when she starts what's supposed to be. This is a remedy, and I got the recipe. I don't need no Hennessy. Now I haven't had a drink, no toxic. I'm in the chicken. Seeing peace signs when I look around. And see, I'm only like chicken. I'm kicking it. How can I get around? But life's too short, gotta live it on. So my brothers and sisters are where we get on. Hey, I'm only like chicken. I'm looking at the place like, how can I get around? Yeah, life's too short, gotta live it on.